Hi everyone. So our today's topic is golden rules to a successful relationship. Marriage is a pathway to the most beautiful relationship on this earth. The couples accept one another by heart and ready to spend their whole life together for all the good and the bad time. But do every couples are considered to be happy and so-called soulmates? There are few golden rules which you can follow to be one happy couple. So the first golden rule is be an honest partner. Your relationship is built and it will develop with time, slowly and gradually. Being as a partner, you need to be honest in your words and in your actions. Never hide anything from your partner because that will going to break your partner's blind trust on you. Trust the first key to successful relationship, which will create strong bond with each other, and you can depend on your partner with all the good and the bad time. The second golden key is friendship is the most important pillar in your relationship. Be a good friend that will going to help you to understand each other well. Friendship is the starting point for any good relationship. When you consider your partner as your friend, you will freely communicate with each other and enjoy your time sharing all the crazy ideas and plans. It's not necessary to impress your partner all the time. Sometimes being silly as a friend will keep your relationship alive. Third rule is you need to avoid the communication gap. Communication gap will going to kill your relationship and damage it very badly. Try to find some time to talk to each other on a daily basis. In case you both are working professionals and sometime you are so badly stuck with your work, with your job, so you hardly find time to talk to each other and talk to your partner, you don't need to find right time to do it. You can talk over the cup of coffee, you can talk over having a dinner together and sharing your daily routine and your future plans. Next rule is you need to forgive and forget and be humble. We all are humans, we make mistakes. Being as a friend, it will be easy for you to forgive others' mistake. Try to compromise in the bad situation and it will make your life much easier because nobody is perfect. We all have very high expectations from our friends and from our partners, but not every time everything can be perfect and same as the way we want. We should accept others with all the good qualities and the bad side also. Forget their fault. Being as a partner, we are there to fill the gap which other person is missing. Okay, rule number 5 is you need to give time to each other. Spending more time with your partner make your relationship stronger. Generally, couples try to give more time in the early phase of their marriage, and later they got busy with their job and other responsibilities in their life, and that they don't even find time to talk to each other. Plan a picnic, take a day off, go for shopping together. Plan a vacation after every 6 months where you can find lots of time to spend together, and good quality time will going to help you to know each other more. Rule number 6. Be the first one to apologize. Always take initiative to say sorry. There is no harm taking apologies and taking all the responsibility of the bad situation. It will increase your respect more with your partner heart and you will going to gain more trust. Never allow any other person to come in between you and your partner. Try to sort out all the situations directly talking to your partner. Sometimes when we rely on the other people to resolve our conflict in our life, things get more worse. Never discuss your partner's mistakes with others in his absence. Always talk good about him or her. Next rule is try to avoid the ego. Ego will going to kill your relationship. Never go in competition with your partner in any way, whether it's your job, whether it's your career, you're earning more money than him or her or a better position. You both need to work together as a family. Forget I rather focus on more on me. Whenever we go in competition with our partner, we gain nothing but just the damage to our precious relationship, and this self-satisfaction will be for time being and will fade away soon. Rule number 8: never discuss the past. In our life, we all have good experiences and we all have bad ones too, which we don't want to discuss and repeat all over again. Discussing your past every time and criticizing others on the mistake will be very damaging to your relationship. We need to learn from our mistake and which we did in our past. We try not to use it against the other partner, just to let down your partner for the sake of winning the arguments or debate. Ninth rule is you need to add the fun element. Fun element will play a lifeline for your relationship. We all get bored from our daily routine, which we are repeating over and over again, and adding fun in your life will keep you going and alive. Playing games together, watching movies, traveling and exploring the new places and food will add up something new in your everyday routine. Plan different activities together and try to find time from your busy schedule to brighten up your life. The last rule which I need to discuss is you need to express love. You need to be expressive. You need to be expressive in your words and show respect through your actions. Your small act will show how much you care for your partner. There is no need to buy a very expensive gifts to express your love to your partner. It can be small love notes you are leaving for your partner before leaving for work, or a rose you give on your partner's birthday, a goodbye kiss or a hug will fuel up your relationship, because in the end what matters is the way you treat your partner. Soulmates are made in heavens and they met in this world for a lifetime. Try to be the one you are seeking for your own self, and life will be beautiful and magical. So this is all about today's topic. We will come out with some new topic in the next video.